We now invite you to watch Supreme Master CHINGHAI's message titled, A Visit from His Majesty King Nu, the King of Love, on Between Master and Disciples, with subtitles in many languages, on June 12, 2026.
Hi there, all of you, peace lovers, peace supporters, peacekeepers, and for peace prayers. A couple of days ago, I can't remember too well, but I think it was on the 9th of June. I was trying to get out of my sitting, sleeping situation. I wanted to get up already to do work for Supreme Master Television. But then God told me, no, don't get up yet. So I asked why. And Mapa told me that the king of a very, very, very far away world wanted to talk to me. And it's very far away. You know, it's almost 7 million light years away from us. But I will talk more about that when I have more time. Right now, I just want to tell you something fast and quick. Just like usual these recent times, he also came and comforted me, saying that peace is here and that there's quite a few things we discussed. It's just I don't really have time to talk about all that right now, but I made half the page with a very big scribbled note. So when I have more time, we'll go more into detail. Right now, just want to tell you that everyone reports to me about peace. I just don't see it too well yet. Oh yeah, we do have some peace. It's just not as much as I want. We just have to be patient, okay? Another good thing is the king that wanted to talk to me. Oh no, is that 6 million? Oh, let me have a look, okay? I think 6 million is the people, not the distance. Ah, dear God. I have written it, but I can't even read it. Oh my God. I wish I had a real pen to write it. Oh, sorry, 6 million plus almost 7 million. That is their population. Now we check out how far they are from us. Oh no, I couldn't find it. Anyway, okay. I will have to ask again. But very, very, very far away from us. Oh, I remember something like billions of light years from us. That's why God says very, very far away. A king of a very, very far away world. Anyway, his name is His Majesty King Nu, N-U. And he's a king of love. He's a king of his own, creation. All right, I will go more into it later when I really have time. I truly didn't have time to ask more, okay? But I did ask quite a few things. I just want to tell you that His Majesty King Nu of love, of the love world, he came to just kind of pay respect to your master. This is for you, my own God's disciples. And then we talk, and then he just came because he wanted to report about peace, also to congratulate us, and also he brought a gift which will lessen the intensity of wildfires. And that's why I'm so happy, and that's why I wanted to tell you in a quick report. Okay, and this extraordinary equipment brought all the way from his love spiritual domain will minimize at least 68% of the wildfire in our world. Otherwise, it would happen more frequently and more catastrophically. And I don't think we could survive. With so many fires already up to date and so much damage to the environment, forests, water, drought, everywhere in the world. So many die So I was really happy about this life-saving gift. And just this short news to let you know, okay? And then afterwards, the king, because I have many kings that want to come to see me, talk to me. They mean well, and they're really good kings. Okay, this king of love, he came from his own world. He created it for his own then disciples. And it was established long ago, almost 1 million years ago. And the name of his kingdom world is Dosy, D-O-S-Y, Dosy world. That means love world. Okay, that's it for now. Because there's some more kings from far away worlds also wanting to see me and talk to me. They had to ask personal permission from God, so God told me that it's okay. Normally I'm too busy. I don't even hear their request for an audience with me. So God gently, lovingly told me in early morning when I was ready to get out and do the many shows, checking, editing for Supreme Master Television. Then after the king of the Dosi world wanted to leave, he asked if another God, also from far away world, can come to see me. Some more gods wanted to come to see me. I said, okay, but only when I have time. I thought the next morning I could talk again to the other god. I say one by one, and his name is Pose. It means freedom. No, it's not his name. His country's name is Puse, P-U-S-E. That means freedom. I said, okay, the next time when I have time, I will inform him. Then he can come and talk to us. I was sure he would also bring some gifts which are good for our world. We are in desperation right now. But I just couldn't make it. I really couldn't make it the next morning. So 2 mornings passed already, and it seemed like just a few hours to me. I told one of your working colleagues that I wish I had more than 24 hours. But even then, I don't know how many hours a day I should have, so that I will have enough to work on all the things that I want to do. So many things I want to do, so many kings I want to talk to. Actually, I don't ask them to come to talk to me. They are the ones who came, either to congratulate or give some secret formula to me, helping me with pushing for peace, etc. Yeah. So the next king will come from post country. I said I cannot promise when, but I was thinking that I would talk to him the next day. So imagine how many, if I could not talk to you all about this Dosi world already, and next one will come. So maybe we just report it as a series, and then I can just give you short information like this. And then when I have time, I will dig more into the details for you. Okay? It's interesting. It's not like you have to know, but it's interesting because you never know before. All right, now, just this for today, okay? Because you already have a big big news from me before this, and you have not even finished wrapping it up yet. So I also don't have time to have another long flight news conversation. All right, I wish you all the best of God's blessing, grace, and love that you can feel, that you can accept, that you can even understand. Okay? So until next time, yeah.